exploring and applying the most suitable development approach to develop, modify, and implement an enterprise system. When an enterprise develops a new system, it must choose the most suitable development approach to design, build, modify, and implement the system. Different approaches such as Waterfall, Agile, prototyping, end-user development, and outsourcing are used depending on the size, cost, time, and complexity of the project. Choosing the correct approach helps the enterprise create a system that is reliable, secure, and meets the needs of the users. 1. The Waterfall structured approach. The waterfall approach is a structured method where each stage is completed before the next stage starts, such as planning, design, development, testing, and implementation. This approach is good for enterprise systems where the requirements are clear, such as building a school attendance database. An advantage is that the system is well planned and documented, which makes it easier to manage and test. A disadvantage is that changes are difficult to make once the project has started, which can cause delays if the enterprise needs something different later. 2. The Agile approach. The Agile approach develops the enterprise system in small parts, and the system is improved step by step with feedback from users. This approach is suitable when the enterprise needs frequent updates, such as developing a mobile app or online system. An advantage is that problems can be fixed quickly, and users can give feedback during development. A disadvantage is that the project may take longer to finish because changes happen often, and planning is less strict. 3. The prototyping approach. The prototyping approach creates an early model of the system, so users can test it before the final system is built. This is useful when the enterprise is not sure what the final system should look like, such as designing a new dashboard or interface. An advantage is that users can see the system early and suggest improvements. A disadvantage is that the prototype may take extra time and cost to develop, and users may think the prototype is the final system. 4. The end-user development approach. The end-user approach allows the people who will use the system to help create or modify the system themselves, using tools such as spreadsheets, databases, or low-code software. This approach is suitable for small enterprise systems, such as a simple booking system. An advantage is that the system matches the user's needs very well. A disadvantage is that end users may not have enough technical skills, which can cause errors, security problems, or poor system design. 5. The outsourcing approach. The outsourcing approach means the enterprise hires an external company to develop the system instead of building it inside the organization. This is suitable for large or complex systems, such as online shopping platforms or cloud systems. An advantage is that experts build the system, which can improve quality and save time. A disadvantage is that outsourcing can be expensive, and the enterprise has less control over the project, which may cause communication or security problems. Each development approach has advantages and disadvantages, so an enterprise must carefully decide which method is best for the situation. Structured methods like Waterfall are good for well-planned systems, while Agile and prototyping are better when changes are needed. End-user development is useful for small systems, and outsourcing is suitable for large or complex projects. Selecting the correct development approach improves the success, efficiency, and quality of the enterprise system.